For my second project, I used Google Maps to lay out the points on our disc golf course. First, I took a satellite image of the campus around Hanover High School and our field here between the high school and our middle school. You can see on the satellite image, this is our baseball field. This is just an open field that we use for physical education and the access road in between. I first put points as T marks and then the targets for each one, and I used rainbow colors to kind of sequence them in order as you follow around the entire course. I use these little black lines just to mark where they'd walk between the hole of one number and then the start of the tee off of the next. So the course would loop around like this, following the line. I added distances in between, and here I used the draw a line feature, and this was very nice because it was able to tell me exactly how far between the 2 points there is. So I never knew before that the distance for hole number 1 is 370 feet. At each point, I was able to add text, such as teeing off from cone 1 for hole 1, it's a par 5, and the distance, and I put a little description of the target. I also found how to add a photo, so I put a photo in for each tee, and then for each hole. And the target here, you can see the cone and the tall skinny pole, and a description that you can hit any part of the light post or the cement footer. And then finally, one part I was very excited about and took quite a learning process, I was able to add a video. So here's for hole number 9, my text, my photo, but I was also able to add a video of one of my students with a very nice tee off shot here for hole number 9. I plan to use this in the class prior to starting disc golf, running through the map from the satellite view with students, showing them each point with the photos, especially ones that have a little bit of an obstacle, such as here they need to go around the dugout and around this fence and loop out around to the actual hole. So that will be very helpful rather than trying to explain it outside. I can show them in the classroom before they go out. I also thought it would be interesting to compare the map of our course and pull up a separate map of the disc golf course out at Cadorus and compare the distances and the pars and any obstacles that would be in between. So that is my project for Google Maps, and I think this is one of the most challenging but also will be the most useful of the 5 projects that I've used.